to my channel. It's me. It's your girl KarlyRose. Thank you guys so much for joining me, y'all. We are back for another reaction video. I think by the time this is uploaded, I would have hit 10,000 subscribers. I will do a separate video for that, but thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, 10,000 of you guys. 10,000 of you guys. Oh my gosh, I love you guys so much. We're going to be celebrating in another video, y'all, but stay tuned for it. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and being so supportive. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. So let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to be reacting to Dimash Kudaibergen singing Blizzard Again. Let's go, y'all. Okay, so he's doing a duet with someone else. I like his shirt.
Тобой не сокрывая ведь я живу уже который год. Если выручет моих нечаянных потерь, остановленный кого-то ждет опять. И боится голове в темноте опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Меня не ведай, прости. На пороге дома не ходи. И теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давней вся жизнь опять.
Құрметті ағайындарыңызға ән салған Кристина Арбакайте.
All I can say is she's a very lucky woman, okay? She's a very lucky woman to be on stage with Dimash Kudaibergen, and that's all I'm saying, you know? Whatever. She's she's very lucky. She better enjoy that opportunity. Anyway, that was Dimash Kudaibergen singing Blizzard again. Yeah, I love when he hits those notes. Yeah, and he goes like all the way up there and just hits you right here. That's what it does. He goes up there and then he hits you right here, and you're like, ah! Like, that was amazing. That was incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet done so, what you waiting for? Yeah, you watched this entire video and didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, y'all. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you don't miss another video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.